In today's video, I'm wanting to teach you how to remove Contact HubSpot. If you need to permanently remove a contact from your CRM, I'll walk you through the exact path, what to expect, and a few best practices so you don't lose anything important along the way. First, head to your HubSpot account and open the CRM. This brings you into the central place where your records live and where you'll manage people, companies, deals, and more. If you're already working in another tool inside HubSpot, don't worry, you can always use the main navigation to return to the CRM area. Once you're in the CRM, go to Contacts. This is your master list of people in the database. Here, you can search by name or email, apply filters, or sort to quickly find who you're looking for. Before removing anyone, take a moment to make sure you truly no longer need that record. It's a good idea to glance at the contact's key details and recent activity to confirm you've got the right person. Next, select the contact you want to remove. You can click directly on the contact from the list to open their record and review it. Check for any important associations like deals, tickets, or a linked company. If those connections matter to your reporting or your team's follow-up, note them now so there are no surprises later. If you're working from a filtered view, also be sure you're not accidentally selecting multiple records. When you're ready, click Delete. Depending on your screen layout, you'll see the delete option either on the record page or as an action in the list view. HubSpot will ask you to confirm, and that's on purpose. Deleting a contact removes their personal data from your CRM and pulls them out of lists and future email sends. It also affects your reporting going forward, since activity tied to that contact won't be included in new analyses. Read the confirmation message carefully, then confirm if you're certain. A few quick tips before you finish. If you might need the data later, consider exporting the contact's details first so you have a backup outside HubSpot. If the person is part of any critical automation or reporting snapshot, let your team know about the change. And if you delete by mistake, HubSpot typically keeps removed records available to restore for a limited time through its recycle area, so you're not out of options immediately. That's it. Open the CRM, go to Contacts, select the right person, and click Delete. Thanks for watching, and I hope this helps you keep your HubSpot database clean and accurate.